So yeah, I'm gonna pull down first. We should see some of this colour come through. Could have done, you know, so many times to do the water different. Sometimes you reflect the lights as they are in the sky, or sometimes you can do a blur, and I'm doing a blur tonight. We'll just pull that down from back there. Maybe we could have a little waterfall or something there. Okay, look, the more white you add, all these colours come through. Right, now we're going to make some water. If you haven't seen this before, hopefully you'll enjoy it. Okay, so we're going to pull down first. Just pulling down with a big brush, quite firmly. There we go, something like that. Looks mint already. Right, now watch. Got to make the sound effects, and we can add some little water lines in there. Look at that beautiful green reflection there. Look at that water. What do you think to that, guys? What do you think to that? These can be bought, yeah. The first one's the website, visualfusions.co.uk. Many northern lights on there. There's loads of paintings. There's over 100 paintings on the website. This is a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas board. So now we can do some little reflections. We'll pull that down. Just pull that down a little bit here. Just reflecting some of that. Just pull this down. And we're going to go across like that. We're going to get some reflections. We'll just put a little water line in here now. There we go, just so we can sort of figure out where the edge of that is. We'll come down here. Bit here and there. We can blend some of this out, and then I'm just going to do some land basically. We'll just do some land. Okay, it's good looking a bit more icier now, isn't it? Yeah, let's just pull this down, not into the water, and make some water reflections off of that. Okay, and we're just going to pull this down. Just go across. Look at that instant water reflection. We can put a nice little water line there. Amazing, love your art, thank you. It's one thing I struggle with on my own paintings is the watermarks. Yeah, with pleasure. Thank you so much. Yeah, just keep going, my friend. Just keep going. We'll just put this little water line in there. There's a bit of we can see the tree there, so I'm going to put a little bit of dark there. Just a little bit of something there. And again, look here. We'll just do that tree there, just a little thing. And then we can just do this tree. Just tap a little colour in here. It doesn't have to be exactly the same because it's water. But we can just highlight just some of them. So title artwork is Serenity. Put my name there. Which is a 30 by 40 centimetre oil paints tonight. This is paint number 271. There's the signature, and we got the first of the first 24.